Hey guys, I'm back and it's time to open up our winter Fab Fit Fun box. Now I did get a fun little sticker on the side. It might be a little bit hard for you guys to read, but it does say your add-ons are inside. So I did get a couple of add-ons and I am misplacing my scissors. One moment. Okay, found my scissors. So for those of you who are unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal or quarterly subscription box that has, makeup, beauty. You could argue makeup and beauty are the same thing, but I'm talking about more like skincare, hair care stuff, kitchen stuff that has a variety of different, makeup, beauty, lifestyle items. I am a yearly member, and as a yearly member, you do get to pick more of what's inside your box, but it is a mixture of items you pick and items they pick for you. A little bit kind of like Ipsy right now. I see what Ipsy did, copying FabFitFun. Normally their boxes are a little bit more colorful than this, but this is also super cute. FabFitFun has also been trying to become greener, so that might be why the box isn't as colorful as normal. I do have an invoice in here for my add-ons, which, listen, it's not anything super crazy or super fun, so don't get too excited. It's actually just a bunch of face masks that I thought were cute. I'm also trying to stock up on face masks because, as I mentioned in my last video, we might be going to Disney in January, and their mask requirement, if I remember correctly, you can't have any disposables. You can only have fabric, and they're very specific about the type of fabric. It has to be 2 layers of fabric. So I have a bunch of these, I can't think what they're called, but it's kind of like neoprene masks that I like to use for work. So, and those don't have 2 layers of neoprene, it just has the single layer. So now here I am going out and getting more masks because I don't have enough masks for every single day of Disney to be able to switch them out every day like you're supposed to. Anyways, with that rant over, let's look into our box. And I'm supposed to have 6 of these masks, which I actually got one of these masks, but in a different print earlier this year, and I liked it so much that when this came up in one of the FabFitFun sales, I was like, yes. So this is just a very basic black and white polka dot print. I really like these. They're comfortable, they're elastic, they're washable, all good things. So I should have 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 masks. So that'll help put a dent in how many masks I need for Disney, because we will be there for 5 days, and then depending on whether or not Mike steals mine or he wears his own, it's good to have extras. Anyways, here is the magazine. So in here is a combination of articles, but they also give you the retail value of everything that is inside your box. So I like to look at this and see, this is actually where I put the little subtitles at the bottom. This is where I get the retail value from. But it also has like spoilers for, an item that might be in the spring 2021 FabFitFun box, because this is the winter 2020 box. It also has just different articles. I usually at least peruse this and kind of go from there. The box also includes a number of different coupons and other things. So this is a pretty typical coupon for FabFitFun. It is HelloFresh. You get 9 free meals across 5 boxes. If you're interested, I can put the code down below. Just comment if you're interested in it. Otherwise, I'm just kind of about subscription food boxes, if you will. I did used to do Blue Apron a number of years ago, but it turned into a financial issue because it's not usually, at least not here in northern Texas, it's not cheaper to do these boxes. It's cheaper to go to the grocery store. Now, if you live in a high cost of living area, maybe like California, I could see why it might be cheaper to do those subscription food boxes. So who knows? Anyways, the next coupon is for Sips By, which I've heard about this. It is actually a tea subscription service, and it's something I've been interested in because this is the time of year where we drink a lot of tea. I only like to limit myself to 1 cup of coffee per day. I don't like to have too much caffeine, so usually if I want a warm beverage after I have that coffee, I go with just a nice cup of some sort of fruity tea, if you will. I might actually be trying this out, but if you're interested, it looks like if you use the code FAB50, you'll get 50% off your first box. So that's pretty cool. And then what's this? It is a coupon for HBO Max. for a 14-day free trial. This is dangerous. That's all I gotta say about this, because there are a couple things on HBO Max I have been wanting to watch that I can't get on Prime or Netflix, which is what we currently have. So I might have to check this out. The problem is just finding 14 days where we can just watch something uninterrupted right now. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on into this box. So the first item I'm seeing, I do remember picking this out. It is a headband. It is a nice maroon color. I do like me some maroon, as you may or may not be able to tell. And I want to go ahead and try this on because it looks super cute. Oh, this headband is giving me life. I'm loving it. Oh, super cute. Very happy about that. We're just gonna wear this for the rest of the unboxing. The next item that is popping out at me is a set of scrunchies. I believe there are 3 different scrunchies in here, and they're different, various shades of leopard print. Excuse me while I struggle with the packaging. Okay, so these are good quality. They're not quite as tight as some of my other scrunchies, but I do like leopard print. I like it in small quantities. I don't like too much animal print. Typically, I only go for leopard print. I'm not into like zebra print or giraffe print or most other types of animal prints, but I do like leopard print because I know some leopards that are very close to my heart. The next item I'm seeing is the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Now this might be something that FabFitFun picked for me. So let's just take a quick look at that. Let's see, because I don't remember picking these. Okay, I did end up picking these because I am a yearly subscriber. There are some things that all members can pick. There's some things that only members like me are able to customize, and then there's some things that no one's able to customize. So this is something I did pick, which I love face masks. I love a good set of eye gels. So I was all about this. And this is a set of 4 eye gels. So not, 2 uses, but literally like 4 separate use eye gels. And they are by the company Butanique Beauty. They have cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Love eye gels. Very excited. The next item I am seeing, which I could not say no to. I do not remember what else was in this category, so I'm looking it up right now. But I saw this robe and I was like, yes, I needed it. Okay, so out of everything in this category, there was a compact organizer, there was a blanket, there was a serum, and there were champagne glasses. And we really don't need another blanket in this house. I love blankets, but my old robe, or my current robe, is getting a little sad. So of course I picked the robe. Let's go ahead and try this on. I did pick the large, extra large size for those of you who are wondering who might normally be watching my clothing hauls. Oh my gosh. Something that I liked the idea of about with this is that it might be a little bit longer than my current robe. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on, and editing me will pop it in right here potentially. Because I'll probably go ahead and film me walking around in this. That way you guys can see exactly how long it is. Don't judge me, I am wearing yoga pants right now because of that hashtag work from home life. Okay, so here is the robe. It's a little bit hard to tell, but it ends right around my knee. So it is a little bit longer than my current robe. I think it would be nicer if it was a full length robe for winter, but beggars can't be choosers. This size fits pretty well on me and it's nice. I like that I got the larger size because if I wanted to layer clothing items underneath this, it does have enough room for me to be able to do it. Even though I probably could have gotten away with the smaller size. I do like the hood. And it is so soft. It is like ridiculously soft. Like I'm gonna be living in this. I wouldn't be surprised if I just film the rest of my videos for the winter in this and don't even try to look cute. But then again, this does make me look cute, so. Okay, let's open the rest of this box. Let's see. The next item, oh, there's some more coupons in here. So a sticker. So that's fun. I can be 5 again and I can have a little FabFitFun sticker. It looks like there is a coupon to Bright Cellars Wine, which I did try them out, I want to say last spring. So if that is something you're interested in, this is a little bit different. It is a scratch off to see how much credit you can get, but I believe this credit is only good if you are a first time user, which, yep, it's only good for new subscribers. So if you're interested in this, just comment down below. I'll give you the code. What is this? It is a coupon to, oh, your first FabFitFun box. So if you're interested in getting $15 off your first FabFitFun box, there is a code underneath here. It doesn't really benefit me in any way. So if you want $15 off your first FabFitFun box, comment down below and I'll give you the code. The next item I am seeing, let's see. It is a blush. It is Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. And it's kind of like it's a little bit more orangey. I would say this reminds me of that, I think it's like NARS Orgasm blush that the world was going crazy over a couple of years ago. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh. This is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and do a little swatch. Oh, it has like almost a vanilla scent to it. So that's what it looks. So I do like that. I don't really have a blush in this shade, so that's really nice to kind of broaden my horizons. I want to check the catalog real quick and see. I can't remember if that was something I chose or if that was something they chose for me, which it looks like it was something they chose for me. I could have either gotten this, let's see, nail recovery nail polish. I was hesitating to call it a nail polish because it's just a clear coat, but it's supposed to help your nails, or an eyeliner, it looks like. So I'm actually pretty happy I got the blush out of the things that FabFitFun chose for me in that category. The next item is the Caudalie Paris Vinosource Cream Sorbet Hydratante. What is this? It is no, that's in French. Here we go, the English side. This gel cream immediately calms and soothes sensitive skin. It preserves long-term hydration by helping to replenish the skin's water reserve. Skin is left feeling strong, supple, and comfortable. So basically, this is a face moisturizer. This is what it looks like. I do like Caudalie, so I'm pretty excited about this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if there's a scent to it. The box does make it look a little bit bigger than it actually is. They're calling, instead of the moisturizing or face moisturizer, they're calling it a moisturizing sorbet. So you can think about food. Okay. Ooh, that is a nice feel. I would enjoy this on my face, I think. And it has a little bit of like a florally scent. So I know some people aren't necessarily as big of a fan of aromatics in their facial products, but it does have a little bit of a floral scent. So keep that in mind if that is something you're interested in purchasing. The next item, I really hope this isn't one of my items because I'd be kind of annoyed if it was. It is a Kind bar, but it is the thin version of it. So I don't purchase these because these are very expensive granola bars, and typically I just get something super cheap at Costco. But I do like me a good granola bar. I am gonna look in here real quick and see if this is an actual product, because if it is, I'm gonna be honestly a little bummed. But I'm not seeing it as a product, so I'm just gonna say it's a cool freebie. So that's pretty cool. I don't care then. Thanks for the granola bar, FabFitFun. The next item is a vanilla bean lip scrub from Wish. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I have no shortage of lip scrubs, but it's always good to add to the stockpile, if you will. Let's see, so this is what it looks like. So it does look like it's the kind where you can just put straight on your lips, which I do really like. I don't like lip products where you have to dip your finger in it and then put it on your lips because, one, even before COVID happened, obviously that's a way you can spread germs easily if you don't wash your hands before you do that, and you're basically just putting germs straight into your mouth. Two, I feel like you're more likely to contaminate the product that way with whatever happened to be on your hands. So yeah, I do like the fact that it's basically a non-touch, you know, lip product. I'm going to squeeze some of this out onto my hand, and I just kind of want to smell it, but I also want to see how thick the crystals are. So it's a fine crystal. It's not like a thick, chunky crystal, if you will. So it's going to be a gentle exfoliator. And that is a very classic vanilla bean scent. And then I think we're down to the last product, which is a pair of mucklucks. So those of you who aren't aware of what mucklucks are, they're basically a slipper sock. Apparently I can't say slipper sock. Say that 3 times fast. Slipper sock, slipper sock, slipper sock. I could have said it faster. I don't know if that actually counted. We're gonna go ahead and get these out. So I don't have, you know, muckluck brand, but I do have a pair of these that I'd like to wear around the house in the winter. So they're just very thick, and then on the inside, they're nice and fuzzy, and they keep your feet like extra toasty. So I hate the winter. Don't get me wrong, I love Christmas, but I do not do well in cold temperatures. I grew up in Michigan, and even though mostly the only reason why I moved to Texas was because that's where I ended up getting a job. I'm very happy I live somewhere much warmer than where I grew up in Michigan, because I did not do well in Michigan in those winters. And even in Texas, sometimes I struggle in the winters here. So I do like a good fuzzy sock slash slipper. And you can wear this around the house, and there's non-stick little grippies on the bottom, so you're not slipping and sliding. Anyways, if you've made it this far, that is it for my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider doing all of the things that would promote this video to other people, such as liking and subscribing and turning on the notification bell, commenting. I'm probably forgetting something. I'm not very good at this YouTuber thing, but basically, if it's gonna make the YouTube algorithm happy, excuse me, please consider doing it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there, guys.